If you're in charge of maintenance at a woodworking facility, plastic manufacturer, bakery, or any business with more issues from dust and dirt than grease, you're probably dealing with loads of issues from clogged drains that aren't solved by store-bought products. Today, let's look at SludgeHammer, the non-flammable, non-corrosive drain maintainer that is specially formulated to handle dirt, clay, and dust, changing them into easily rinsable, feather-like particles. Now we're going to pour some coffee. Okay, we're going to add the SludgeHammer. Watch as SludgeHammer mixed with coffee grounds turns the sediment material into much smaller particles. It breaks up cohesive and adhesive forces that cause sludge to stick in the drain lines and will not harm your pipes. If your business is dusty and dirty, as opposed to greasy and oily, our drain care expert recommends SludgeHammer to prevent blockage at inopportune times. It's also ideal to remove heavy sludge from stacks and main drains. To keep your business flowing smoothly, use a high-performance solution like SludgeHammer. Don't waste your time and money on low-strength products. Get your business the solution it needs by visiting www.steadyindustrial.com and checking out SludgeHammer.